Let's do a simple lighting breakdown for a beauty shoot. Photographer is per Appelgren. I put the name in the caption. And without the background lighting, you could probably do it with 2 lights. So it's a really clean, crisp light. And let's see if we can break it down. There's a fairly direct, quite contrasty light coming from the right-hand side, and something softer coming from the left. We can see that from the soft shadow. And if we zoom into the eye, the catchlights show us that light in the bottom left. And then there's a simple light on the background, probably both sides. I just shifted the levels so we can see the contrast more clearly, and we can see that top directional light and that fill light coming from the left. We zoom in, we can also see a fill card or something underneath. And we got a rectangular light on the left and then something hard on the top right. And we can see it's round, so it could be a Magnum, could be a beauty dish, some kind of diffusion over the front of it. And then it's passing through that trace frame or silk. And it's great on the skin. It's got some highlights. In the behind the scenes video, we see the bounce board. So that light's bouncing down and back up and filling in that chin shadow. You can see that shadow that's being softened and filled by the light that's on the left-hand side. Zoom in on the eyes and we can see that softbox. And the shadow on earrings tells us again it's quite a hard direct light. It's got a straight edge to that shadow. So this is what I feel it could be. I've put a hard reflector light through a silk, up high, and I'm pointing directly at the model's face. It's shaping the face, bringing out the cheekbones, showing structure. Then I've got that fill card of bounce from below. It's going to soften off the shadows, pick up some of that light and bounce it back. And I've got this medium softbox. Again, raise it or lower it depending on how much you want it to clip or go directly into the model, and how much contrast you want from side to side. It's kind of matching the light quality from above. See, there's less power. Background lights only. I've just got 2 heads with reflectors. I'm just angling them into the background. And this is everything combined. So that top right light is doing most of the work. The softbox from the left is filling in. And that bounce card from below is just evening everything out. You could get away without having those background lights. We'll get something fairly similar, at least for the model. Simple but beautiful.